So, ito ang isa sa mga kasi mahilig talaga akong magpinta at ito yung isa sa parang gusto kong maging magaling. Parang I want to be a great creative, a great artist, someone who can paint, someone who can do arts well, really good, expert or something of yung maganda talaga siya. So, nasa starting point ako na, di na siya starting, parang meron akong great thing na nagawa. But it's a matter of the customer. So, ito ang isa sa mga bookmarks. Original piece ko to. Look at that. Looks like a bee. And it looks like a... Here are the colors. So, this is entitled Crisps and Luster. So, ayan ang painting ko ngayon. Crisps and Luster. So, ang description ko nito ay so, pag nakakakita kasi ako ng mga ganitong bagay, parang nabubuhayan ako na parang masaya ako. I feel joy, understanding. Joy, understanding, and parang nagagandahan ako sobra. So, ganito. So, ang description ko nito is, this is one of my paintings. It is a bookmark in the color orange, brown, and yellow. It is bright because of its pigment and the flowing colors, resting comfy on the watercolor paper. So, yun. So, ganun ang description ko nito. Parang simple lang siya, hindi masyadong yung isa ang medyo elaborate. So, ganun. Thank you!